Okay.
Yeah, so I'm like, I was sitting there talking to his broad, and I'm like, hey, what's wrong? Did you shove your tampon up the wrong hole? What? Ouch. Hi, kids. Wolf Timber here today. We're filming another episode. As soon as my courier gets here. Ah, courier.
You know, I was just standing over there.
Matter of fact, I did, yeah.
Could have just asked me at any time. I brought it to you.
Anyways, it has arrived. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Whoops. Now, today, kids, our urban legend is, can you make a suppressor out of an eggplant? So, we're going to find out. Let's take this. So, legend has it, you can fire up against an eggplant and make a suppressor. Let's find out. Dude, do any of these guns have ammo in them? Dude, really? You gave me guns with no... Do we have anything with ammo in it?
You know we're in an ammo shortage, right?
Do we have anything with ammo?
I mean, that.
Okay, so we've got a 45 caliber flintlock. It's the only thing we got with ammo, excuse me. Made a click. No, I don't think that suppressed the sound at all. What do you think?
I think that I don't like eggplant.
Nobody likes eggplant.
Jeez. I got peppered with it over here.
Yeah, so did your gun, dude.
Oh, well. You know, they say to keep lubrication or, liquids away from powder. Keep it dry. Keep your powder dry.
The powder's gone, dude.
Yeah. I'm just saying, this is the last time we're shooting it.
Well, probably, yeah.
Thanks for the slimy gun.
Well, apparently, eggplant does not baffle the sounds of black powder muskets. And that's today's videos, kids.